Welcome to Brayon Math. We have to solve an equation now involving logarithms. Find n in this equation 1 over the logarithm of n to the base 8 plus 1 over the logarithm of 1/4 to the base n is equal to negative 5 halves. But before that, I request you to subscribe to this channel and to like the video and to hit the notification bell so you will be updated with more of these math tutorials. So let's go to the solution. So first thing we have to do is we need to manipulate the first part of the left-hand side equation. So we write logarithm of n to the base 8. It is actually equal to 1 over the logarithm of 8 to the base n. So we did that because we need to make the expression to the base n only. So if we apply that, we have 1 over 1 over the logarithm of 8 to the base n plus 1 over the logarithm of 1/4 to the base n is equal to negative 5 over 2. So simplifying, we have logarithm of 8 to the base n plus 1 over the logarithm of 1/4 to the base n is equal to negative 5 over 2. So if we multiply this whole equation to logarithm of 1/4 to the base n, we get logarithm of 8 to the base n times logarithm of 1/4 to the base n plus, actually this becomes logarithm of n 1/4 logarithm of 1/4 to the base n is equal to negative 5 over 2 logarithm of 1/4 to the base n. So this cancels out. So we need to write next the logarithm of 8 to the base n as logarithm of 2 cubed raised to the base n, 2 cubed. And this becomes logarithm of 2 raised to negative 2 to the base n plus 1 equal to negative 5 halves times this becomes also logarithm to 2 raised to negative 2 to the base n. Okay, so because we know that 1/4 is equal to 1 over 2 squared, and if we put that on the numerator, we need to make the exponent negative. That's why it becomes 2 raised to negative 2. So going back, we can put the exponent 3 here on the left of the logarithm. So 3 logarithm of 2 to the base n times this could be also the negative 2. The exponent can be put here on the left of the logarithm. So logarithm of negative 2 times the logarithm of 2 to the base n plus 1. This is equal to, and negative 5 over 2 times the exponent again can be written on the left of the logarithm. So negative 2 times logarithm of 2 base n. So this cancels out, and this becomes negative 6 logarithm squared base n, but of 2, logarithm of 2 plus 1. So, and next thing is 5 plus 1. Next thing is 5 logarithm of 2 base n again. So, if we let logarithm of 2 to the base n be equal to m, we have negative 6 m squared plus 1 is equal to 5m. So arranging these terms, we have 6m squared plus 5m minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. We can solve this by factoring, but we need to multiply 6 and negative 1. We need to multiply the first term and the third term. So we have m squared plus 5m minus 6 equal to 0. And now we have to think of factors of 6 with the sum of 5. So factors of negative 6, but with the sum of negative 5. And that is 6n, that is n plus 6 times m minus 1 equal to 0. And actually, we have two solutions, but since we multiplied by 6, we need to divide by 6. So this becomes m plus 1 times m 6m minus 1 equal to 0. So actually, we have two solutions. M plus 1 is equal to 0 and 6m minus 1 equal to 0. So m is equal to negative 1. And m is equal to 1 over 6. So we know that m is equal to 1, and I mean negative 1, and m is 1 over 6. So if m is equal to negative 1, we have negative 1 is equal to logarithm of 2 to the base n. It means n raised to negative 1 is equal to 2. So 1, n to the negative 1, it can be written as 1 over n is equal to 2. And cross multiplying, we have n is equal to 1 half. That is an answer. And the other answer could be m is equal to 1/6. So 1/6 is equal to logarithm of 2 to the base n. So this becomes n raised to 1/6 is equal to 2. And if we raise this both sides of the equation to the 6th power, we have n, this cancels out 6 and 6. So we have n is equal to 2 to the 6, or n is equal to 64. That is another answer. Thank you for watching until the end of this video. And please like the video if you like our solution, and hit the bell icon so you will be notified for the latest uploads we make here for these math tutorials. Thank you and bye.